May susubukan tayo for today. This is extra butter. I've been seeing them on social media. They have very, very big size cookies. Just to give you a size comparison, it's that big kasing laki na ng kamay ko. For those who like it, mainit, you can microwave it. Sa mga gustong naka-oven, you can set it to 350 Fahrenheit for 1 to 2 minutes. Me personally, I like it cold. It's too much for me to try alone. I'll just pick 2 of what I think is my favorites. Let's go. I like that soft, hard texture na kapag pinalamig mo, it's really, really, really good. Subukan naman natin tong, I think is triple chocolate. Cheers. It's really soft, very chocolatey. I love the texture. I'm sure kids will love this. Even the chocolate lovers. All in all, I love it very much. Before it trends, their social media page at Extra Butter on Instagram, Facebook, or TikTok.